7 weeks from sail away and the countdown is on. Utopia of the Seas will be Royal Caribbean's newest Oasis class ship sailing out of Port Canaveral July 19th. And I am so excited that I will be on the inaugural sailing of the Utopia of the Seas. And if you want to see how little I paid for the inaugural sailing, be sure to check out this link here. And spoiler alert, only $300. Royal Caribbean is calling Utopia of the Seas the world's biggest weekend cruise ship. They are sailing on 3 and 4 day sailings to the Bahamas and Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day Coco Cay, which is actually a great opportunity for some of you first-time cruisers who are looking at some of these mega ships to cruise on for the first time. Maybe get on a 3 or 4 day cruise and kind of get yourself into it to see how you like it. When I was on Icon of the Seas just a few weeks ago, I was so overwhelmed by how huge the ship was and how much they had to offer. But let's take a look at some of the new things that Royal Caribbean is offering here on the Utopia of the Seas. Royal Caribbean is making this ship as a fun party ship for a great and awesome weekend. So with more than 20 bars on this ship, Utopia of the Seas is offering a walking map of different places that you can go and visit to try out some of their specialty cocktails and drinks. So let's take a look. So Utopia of the Seas is offering Ways to Party by the Glass, and it's a little walking map of where you can start, and we'll start out here on deck 15 and 16, the pool and sports zone. So we're going to start here at the Solarium Bar. They even give you little must-tries. Go and try the painkiller at the Solarium Bar, then head over to the View Bar, and then head down to the Lime and Coconut, and then get you some country music in while you are enjoying a drink over here at the Mason Jar. So I just love how they're telling you different places that you can enjoy some drinks and a must try at each one of these places as well. So here we also have Cantina Fresca over at El Loco Fresh, and then we can finish off this deck at the Wipeout Bar. Now let's head down to Central Park on deck 8. I love Central Park. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods to visit. So here on Central Park, the very first place we have to go is the Trellis Bar. This is a great place to go and get you an evening drink. And then head over to the Rising Tide. I really enjoyed the Rising Tide on the Wonder of the Seas. It only takes about maybe 7 to 10 minutes to go up and down in that bar. It's a great little bar to just sit and have a drink and just enjoy going from one, I think it was like deck 5 up to deck 8. So great little bar. Just go over and try that out. And then when you're done at the Rising Tide, head over and listen to some music over at the Music Hall. Now let's head down to the Boardwalk on deck 6. And here at the Boardwalk, of course, we have to go over to Giovanni's Wine and Bar. Giovanni's Wine and Bar is a must go to for some really great glasses of wine. So go over here, grab you a glass of Cabernet as they are telling you to try. And then when you're done, of course, you cannot go to the Boardwalk without going down to the Playmakers. So head over to Playmakers for a drink over here as well. And then when you're finished there, let's head down to the Royal Promenade on deck 5 and 6. And here on the Royal Promenade, you can head over to Bolero's and then over to try some karaoke at the Spotlight Karaoke and grab you a drink over there. If I was at the karaoke bar, I would definitely need a drink over there. And then down to the pub at Bell and Barley. And then you see here we got Pesky Parrot. This is a new bar. I will definitely be trying the Pesky Parrot, and they're telling us any fruity cocktail or a frozen drink. I don't really do frozen drinks too much, but I'll definitely try a fruity cocktail over here at Pesky Parrot. What do you think? Schooner Bar, and I definitely am going to head over to the Schooner Bar because I've been told that they are going to have that familiar vibe here at the Schooner Bar. So if you've ever been to the Schooner Bar on any of the other royal ships, they will definitely have some familiarity there. So when you're done over here on the Promenade, head over here to the entertainment place at deck 4. The entertainment place is going to have the casinos. So the casinos, they are going to offer 2 casinos here on the Utopia of the Seas, a non-smoking casino and a smoking casino. Now don't worry, in the larger smoking casino, they're still going to have non-smoking sections. So here, first off, if you want to, head over to the non-smoking casino and grab you a drink. And then head over to the Attic. This is a great place to sit and listen to some comedy, grab you a drink, and then finish off your walking map at the Casino Royale. Now, if you have a suite you're not finished yet. You can head over to deck 17 and on the Sweet Sun deck, grab you a drink over there at the Sweet Sun deck. Also, come over here to the Sweet Lounge and grab you a drink and lounge over here at the Sweet Lounge. So for you sweet goers, definitely make sure you check out those two areas on deck 17. Now let's take a look at some hotspot dining options. First, if you're finding any of this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps out this channel. Now, Utopia of the Seas is offering a few new dining options. So let's take a look at what these are. There are going to be a few new places that you'll want to check out here on Utopia of the Seas. And one that I can't wait to check out is the Utopia Station. As you see here, Utopia Station is going to be basically a train station that you're going to go to. You're going to have where you can have dinner in a train car. And they'll have videos outside the window to where it looks like you are actually moving. And it will have a little bit of a simulation. So the cart itself is moving. So it feels like you are on a train. Have you ever been on a train before and had dinner or just been on a train? I am so excited. I can't wait to have dinner on this train and go to Utopia Station. This is going to be exciting. Now, this is a charge. This is not part of the complimentary dining options. Now, something that is new that is on the complimentary dining options is the spare tire. So located over here at the pool, you can go to the spare tire, and this is just a great little food truck to grab you a chicken sandwich. And that is what they are recommending. So I definitely will be grabbing me a chicken sandwich one afternoon when I am lounging by the pool. Now, one of my favorite specialty dining options is Izumi Sushi. And here on Utopia of the Seas, they're going to offer Izumi in the park. It's going to be a window that you can walk up to in Central Park. And I am so excited about this. It'll be open all day long and you can just grab you some sushi to go. So this is another new option here on Utopia of the Seas. There is so much more information and news coming up here on Utopia of the Seas as it's gearing up to head to Port Canaveral for July 19th sailing. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe. I'm going to bring you some weekly updates until we head out on July 19th for the inaugural sailing. And definitely make sure you hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video comes your way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.